Right now, Earth is spinning at over 1,600 kilometers per hour at the equator. If it suddenly stopped, we wouldn't just notice, we'd be launched into chaos. Today, on The Mind Twist, we're exploring what would happen if our planet came to a screeching halt. From the oceans to the atmosphere, the consequences would be unlike anything humanity has ever seen. If Earth stopped spinning instantly, everything not nailed down would keep moving at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. The oceans would surge, creating mega tsunamis that would drown coastlines worldwide. The atmosphere would keep rushing, unleashing winds stronger than any hurricane in history. Earth's rotation isn't just about day and night. It drives weather systems, ocean currents, and planetary stability. Without it, half the planet would face scorching heat, while the other half plunged into eternal darkness. Crops would die, ecosystems would collapse, and humanity would scramble to survive in tiny habitable zones near the twilight edges of Earth. The most dramatic outcome? Earth's magnetic field could collapse. That means no protection from deadly solar radiation. Combined with destroyed infrastructure, collapsing societies, and unlivable climates, survival would be nearly impossible. It wouldn't just be the end of civilization, it might be the end of humanity itself. So if Earth stopped spinning, the world we know would vanish instantly. Our planet's gentle rotation is the difference between life and total annihilation.